Welcome to Echo Wisdom, your source of knowledge and inspiration for a sustainable future. In today's episode, we delve into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and its role in revolutionizing waste recycling. Join us as we explore the incredible AI systems trained to recognize waste for recycling. The world is grappling with an overwhelming amount of waste. According to the World Bank, a staggering 2.24 billion tons of solid waste was produced in 2020 alone, and that number is expected to rise by 73% to 3.88 billion tons by 2050. Among the biggest challenges we face is plastic waste, with over 8.3 billion tons generated since the 1950s. Enter Parrot, a groundbreaking UK startup founded by Michaela Druckmann. Parrot has developed an AI system designed to analyze waste processing and recycling facilities with incredible precision. Parrot strategically places cameras above conveyor belts at numerous waste and recycling sites across Europe. These cameras, powered by state-of-the-art AI software, provide real-time analysis of the waste materials passing through. However, training the AI system to recognize and categorize various types of waste is a complex task. Michaela Druckmann, who told encounter mountains of waste every single day in these facilities, and it never stops. The challenge lies in training their AI system to identify and understand different waste items, even when they are crumpled, crushed, or dirty. Despite the challenges, Parrot has made remarkable progress. Their AI systems now track a staggering 32 billion waste objects each year, creating a vast digital map of waste. This information not only helps waste managers optimize their operations but also provides regulators with valuable insights into problematic materials and their impact on the environment. According to Michaela Druckmann, by understanding the intricacies of waste management, we can make informed decisions that benefit both the environment and our resource utilization. It's not just about waste management, it's about addressing the interconnectedness between waste, climate change, and sustainable resource consumption. Another visionary in the realm of sustainability is Swope, the mastermind behind Footprint. This innovative company works closely with supermarkets and renowned brands to develop eco-friendly packaging alternatives. Footprint has successfully transformed plastic razor trays into plant-based fiber alternatives, reducing the reliance on single-use plastics. Swope emphasizes the need to challenge the myth of recycling and shift towards sustainable materials to combat the environmental challenges we face. As consumers, we often encounter misleading claims of eco or green packaging, known as greenwashing. This phenomenon can make it confusing for individuals to make truly sustainable choices. That's where companies like Polytag step in. Polytag has developed an innovative solution to ensure transparency in the recycling process. They use ultraviolet (UV) tags that are invisible to the human eye, which are placed on used plastic bottles. When these bottles reach recycling plants, Polytag's machines read the UV tags, providing real-time data on the number of bottles being recycled. While AI systems and innovative technologies play a crucial role in waste recycling, we must remember that change starts with us, the consumers. By consuming less and making conscious choices, we can significantly reduce waste and encourage sustainable practices across industries. As we conclude this enlightening journey into AI-driven waste recognition, let us remember that the power to shape a sustainable future lies within each and every one of us. Join us next time on Echo Wisdom as we continue to explore inspiring ideas and innovative solutions for a better tomorrow.